How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets YouTube tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off restricted mode on YouTube within the YouTube app on an iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So recently, YouTube updated their app and changed the location of their settings. So to get started turning off restricted mode on YouTube, the first thing we need to do is open up the YouTube app on our iPhone or Android phone, then select U in the bottom right of the app. Once you get to U on YouTube, select the gear in the top right to open up the YouTube settings. Then within the YouTube settings, select General. Now in General, just find Restricted Mode and simply toggle that off. Then you can back out, go back home, and now you have turned off Restricted Mode on YouTube. All right, so that's how you turn off or disable Restricted Mode within the YouTube app on an iPhone or Android phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more YouTube tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.